we have to add algebraic fractions. How we add algebraic fractions? The same like we add fractions. We need to have the same denominator. So we need to find the least common denominator. How we do this? When we have in the denominators y plus 4 and y minus 2, these two terms are different. So we have to just multiply this term by this term. So let me copy this to algebraic fraction. We have 4y over y plus 4 plus 3y over y minus 2. Like I said, the least common denominator for these two algebraic fractions will be y plus 4 times y minus 2. So we have the same denominator, y plus 4 times y minus 2. And next, let's check. I have at the beginning y plus 4 only in the denominator. Now I have y plus 4 times y minus 2. So if I multiply this denominator by y minus 2, I have to multiply numerator by the same term, y minus 2. And the same I have to do with the second algebraic fraction. We have only y minus 2. Now I have y minus 2 times y plus 4. So I have to multiply this numerator by the same term which I multiply our denominator. I multiply this denominator by y plus 4, so I have to multiply numerator by the same term. So now we have the same denominators, so we need to do multiplication in the numerators. 4y times y minus 2. It means we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 4y. 4y times y is 4y squared. 4y times negative 2 is negative 8y. Next we have 3y times y is 3y squared, and 3y times 4 is 12y. So this is equal. Now we have the same denominators, so we copy denominator. And we add numerators. So we have 4y minus 8, 4y squared of course, plus 3y squared plus 12y. This is equal. We have to combine the like terms, 4y and 3y, so it will be 7y square of course. And next we have negative 8y and positive 12y, so will be 4y over, we have to copy denominator, y plus 4 times y minus 2. This is equal. Next we have to check if we can reduce. We know that we can reduce only when we have multiplication. So first we have to factorize our numerator. We have 7y squared and 4y. The greatest common factor for 7 and 4 is 1, so it didn't change anything. So we check variable. We have y squared and y. We always choose variable with the lowest power. So this is like 1, y to first power. So we can factorize y in first power. We don't have to write. So now I have to multiply y by 7y to get 7y squared, and I have to multiply by y by 4 to get 4y over, we have y plus 4 times y minus 2. And now we have to check if we can reduce something. We have different terms in parentheses and y before, so we cannot reduce anything because we can reduce only the same term with the same term. So this is my solution.